I'm Akshay. Today let's see how to grow rich gourd. Rich gourd is a traditional Indian vegetable which is known as pirkangai in Tamil. It has lot of health benefits and it tastes yummy. Let's see how to grow it. Here we go.
First, loosen the soil where you want to plant it. Oh, is it an earthworm? Wow! As we didn't use any chemicals, we can find earthworms. Now the soil is ready. Make some 1/2 inch deep holes. Take the rich gourd seed and put in the holes. And now cover it up with soil. Then sprinkle some water. Then spread some dry leaves to cover the soil. It is known as mulching. It protects from heavy sunlight. After 3 days, it will sprout like this. The root of the rich gourd begins here and it goes and then it climbs over our custard apple tree. It has grown very huge. Now the rich gourd climber has grown completely in our 2 trees. Let me show the first stage of rich gourd. This is the first stage of rich gourd. And then this is the second stage of rich gourd. And this is the third stage of rich gourd. In this stage, you can harvest the rich gourd. Now, the rich gourd has grown all over the tree. If you need, you can leave some rich gourds for seeds. I think you found this video useful. Take care. Bye-bye.